Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Good work. Come on, let's go. Yes. One more. Let's go. Push, push, push. Oh yes. Good work.
Easy. Come on, bro. Yep. Yeah. Come on. Easy. Easy. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're getting 15. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Nice.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got a special guest today. The man himself, the pro creator and the pro dominator.
Too kind,
Martin Winston. I'll put his Instagram in the description for you guys that don't know.
I'm getting a good session. This guy's going to push me today. I need it. I need it.
So yeah, follow Martin along. He's got a big year with his athlete's head. That's it. Good. Nice. Let's go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Yes. Yes. One more. Come on. Push. 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 Oh yes. Good work. Good. Try hard. So that's fine on this one. Good.
Yeah, he is.
Okay, so we got the press out of the way first. Finish a flat press or fly. You want fly first? We can.
No, I'm alright. If I press fast, I'm alright and I can fly at the end.
Okay.
So
maybe that one.
Yeah.
Flat and then a fly.
Yeah, nice. Thank you, bro. Mum, little handbag.
What's yours? Good. Oh yes, pull up that chest. Good. Let's go all the way. Big push, push. One more. Let's go. Push. Rock it out. Let's go. Push, push. One more. Let's go. Got one. Push, push. Oh, good one.
Let's do that.
Ooh.
Nice. Come on. Yes, bro. Strong. Come on. Let's go. Easy one. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it.
Oh. Yo.
Nice. Titty pump.
Burn.
Titty pump.
Nice.
Pizza and cookie pump. Papa John's out here is 10 times better in the UK as well.
Oh, I've never had it yet, is it?
Yeah. It was like that deep. I did ask for a side of pepperoni with stuffed crust. And I said, can I have extra mozzarella and extra pepperoni? But they literally made the pizza and then put another layer of cheese on top and then put another layer of pepperoni on top. It was like that. I'm like,
Okay guys, so we're in with Coach Martin. Great to see him here. He's here on holiday for the week. It's always good to spend time with him. I always bump into him at the shows and stuff. and we always catch up. So it's good to spend some good time together. So yeah, we'll give you guys some tips over the push session. As you saw, we did 2 presses first. I always like that just because it's the strongest movements. Before you fatigue the muscle, get that out of the way, really get strong in the incline and a flat. Except if you struggle with some joints, you want to like warm up the joint, maybe with a fly first before you get there. But now third movement, we're getting into the cable fly sort of press, one of my favorites.
Sorry.
Nice. Good. Good stuff. You did? Yeah, you did take it down.
Nice, bro. Good. Nice and controlled.
Let's go, you got one. I'm with you. Big push, come on. Push, push, push. Yes. Nice. Remember when you guys do a fly like this, always try and keep the chest out, because we tend to like really focus on pushing the weight. So you push your chest in, but try and keep it out. I like to like keep my chin tucked in so that I can feel my chest out, and then you just fly like this and keep your lower back glutes back. Don't move it forward.
Nice, bro. Good. That's it. Good. Force those hands out. Good. Come on. Come on, bro. That's all you. That's all you. Come on. Let's get it. That's all you. Yep. Come on. That's all you still. Easy way. You got 3. Come on. That's all you. Let's go. Come on. Come on, and again. Come on, keep the control. Drive it, drive it, drive it. I'm with you. Drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it. Nice, bro. Ooh. Ooh. Nice.
Ooh. The burn, the burn.
Film the big boy set.
You're going to show his punishment also. So if you want to burn the shoulders really quick, you don't have much time, you're going to do a set like this. Okay.
Let's go. Nice, bro. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Yep. That's it. And again, 2 more. Straight in. Let's go. Come on. I'm gonna make it harder. Come on. Yep. 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 Yeah.
Yes.
To the top. Hold at the top. That's it. That's it. Hold it. There we go. That's it. Hold it. There we go. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Right, now pop. Go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Ooh. Nice.
Ooh. Ah, that was a good one.
Shake it off.
If you guys can't complete the rep like you saw me at the top, you just do partials, but your partials try and squeeze them a little bit, just that small pause, not just like going with the momentum. I get that. She'll still work the delts a lot. Yeah, good one.
It's good. I fucking love doing them.
That's it. Let's. Come on. Three more, then we drop set. 2, yes. One more. Just wait.
Oh.
Okay, let's go. 3. Come on, let's work. 5 partials. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and drop. One more. Let's go. Let's hit it big. Yeah, that's it. Good. Yes. Okay, partials. Let's go. Push it out. Let's go. Yes. Great work. Great work. Good luck with picking the cookies up.
Yeah. Can't eat no more cookies. The best cookies. So, she's like, I took a set of pictures to Amanda. She's like, you best be bringing some home. I was like, well, I can't with this box, but I'll get another box.
They're not gonna make those. Coffee.
Everybody has it pre, we have it post.
Yeah, we have it pre and post.
To set us up for work.
And sometimes intra.
Caffeine as well.
But yeah, good push session. I always just jump into Martin at the shows now and then, always busy, so we don't really like catch up, so it was nice to catch up and have him here. Yeah, so I'll put his link below for the ones that don't follow him yet. He travels the world with his athletes, so make sure to follow him. But yeah, well, much needed, yeah.
Definitely.
We need to do it more often. Hopefully we bump into each other a lot of the shows and the traveling. Will be good. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, you need any help with training, you know, both of us, you can reach out to Martin down in the comments. We're happy to help. We love doing it. It's our passion to help people. And yeah, please subscribe. Let us know what content you guys want to see. And say if you want Steph more in the videos. You guys miss Steph. But yeah, see you guys next time. Much love.